Hello everyone, it's Kaden Weather here. Today I'm going to be talking about the severe weather outbreak which is going on today. We have multiple slight risk and an enhanced risk today and Saturday for South Dakota. Now what's going on right now is we have some severe thunderstorm warnings for parts of Ohio near this severe thunderstorm warning right here is including Delaware, Hartford, Rome, all those areas. Let's see how long it's going till. This one expires at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and the current time is 1:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So that's just one severe thunderstorm warning. We have another severe thunderstorm warning, which is not in the severe thunderstorm watches is now issued, but this severe thunderstorm warning is until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So yeah, this one includes the cities of Fairland, Logan, Harrison, Miami Heights, Dent, White Oak, North College, Finneytown, Gulfport, Bright, all those are in severe thunderstorm warning. So, and we have a severe thunderstorm watch which goes from parts of Pennsylvania to Ohio. I'm going to go ahead and check on this. Number 249, this includes 8 counties in north central Ohio. Those counties right there. This one is in effect until 8 p.m. Let's see if this one is in effect until 8 p.m. and this one is in effect until 8 p.m. too. So these are all in effect. This area right here is all in a severe thunderstorm watch until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So besides the severe weather, let's go and talk about the severe weather outbreak forecast. Again, severe thunderstorm watches right here. So yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look at the forecast here where we now have an enhanced risk today for parts of South Dakota. So here it is. As you can see, today it tips into northern Nebraska, very, very extreme northern Nebraska. This is the this is the enhanced risk right there. So you can see up to 80-mile-per-hour winds, large hail damaging winds up to 80 miles per hour, and a few tornadoes are possible. Yes, we do have a tornado threat today. So we could see like 2 or more tornadoes today. So you need to be on the outlook. You need to keep being updated about the weather because we could see the few tornadoes. This is a slight risk, but we have multiple of these around the United States. This goes from Iowa to southern Minnesota to parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, Montana, and Wyoming. Just the tips of those 2 states. And we have another slight risk right here in Oklahoma and parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle and Texas Panhandle and parts of western North Texas. Right there. And another slight risk, which is where we have those severe thunderstorm watches and warnings right now, in parts of Pennsylvania, Ohio, West Virginia, Maryland, Virginia, Delaware, and New Jersey. And marginal risk surrounding that. So this is where we're going to see the worst of the severe weather. Right there. So again, enhanced risk right here for the worst severe weather. So yeah, be careful. I want to go ahead and take a look at the tornado threat today because we do have a tornado threat. So this is a tornado threat. We have a 5% chance of seeing a tornado right here. So you guys need to be on the outlook because we have a chance of a tornado today in South Dakota. South Dakota, you guys are going to be hammered by severe weather. You guys also have another enhanced risk next week. Unfortunately, the next week's severe weather chance for South Dakota, it's too far into the future to see our tornado threat that day, but it is an enhanced risk, so we do know we're going to see some severe weather. Here's a 2% chance of seeing a tornado right here, or a tornado warning. And we have another 2% chance of seeing a tornado right here. In Kentucky, Tennessee, Yeah, that area, and the tips of some states. So yeah, that's our tornado threat today. Let's go ahead and take a look at the hail threat today. So we're going to see the worst hail right here. We have some large hail today. Again, move your things inside, get your cars in the garage. If you live in this circled area right here in South Dakota and parts of Nebraska, move your car inside. We're going to see some really large hail today in that area. Another area of large hail, not as bad as that area that I just circled, but still move your cars in the garage in this circled area because you could see some really bad hail. We could see some hail in this area, but it would be a lot smaller hail, and this is just a threat, so we may not even see hail in this circled area that I'm circling right now. So yeah, that area. So that's our hail threat. Let's go ahead and take a look at our wind threat today. So gusty winds, basically just in the same areas as the slight risk, but just a little different. These are all of our hail threats, significant hail threats in these areas right here. So yeah, these are our significant hail threats. Wind threats, I'm sorry. This is all winds. Wind threat. So these are all areas of wind. Again, strong winds in these yellow areas, but these will be some strong winds, but not as gusty and strong as the yellow areas. So move your plants, move whatever it is that will be blown by wind inside if you're in any of these areas, especially the yellow areas. So move anything inside, in the garage, anywhere that will be protected from the wind in this area, because we could see some strong winds. Let's go and take a look at tomorrow's threat, which I'm not going to spend a lot of time on because it's not very severe. Again, one more time, this is today's threat. I already have some severe thunderstorm watches in this area right here by the mouse, the yellow area in the northeast. Severe thunderstorm warnings also in effect. If there's any tornado warnings today, I will have to make a video about it if I'm not busy and update you guys. But yeah, this is our threat today. Again, here's tomorrow's threat. This is a very low threat. All we have is a marginal threat here and here. Other than that, it's a very low threat. So let's go and take a look at day 3, which is Saturday. This is another severe weather day. We could see some very strong winds, gusty winds up to 80 miles per hour, and large hail in this circled area. Again, unfortunately, it's too far into the future to see the tornado threat for this day, but we can see that we are going to have some strong storms with an enhanced risk. So that is our enhanced risk area. Again, South Dakota, South Dakota, you guys are going to get hammered. You guys are like the bullseye. And starting from Canada all the way dipping down to Nebraska is where we have the slight risk here. Parts of North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Wyoming, and Montana, so we have that slight risk. Marginal risk just surrounding that, very close to the slight risk. So yeah, that's our weather today. Now, I would ask that you do subscribe if you like this kind of videos, like weather. Please subscribe, leave a like. Again, I want to show you one more time the tornado and severe weather threat. We have a severe weather threat, enhanced risk right here for South Dakota and a little bit of Nebraska. And we have a tornado threat. This is our tornado threat today. So that's our tornado threats. So right here and another one right here. Again, leave a like, subscribe if you like weather related content and weather videos. Subscribe, share this with your friends. Leave a like, subscribe. Stay weather aware, stay safe. I will keep you updated on this. Stay weather aware, stay safe, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!